Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Lucy and she was in today for a redesign. So we've done all the prep on her. Took her previous design off and done all the prep, and now we're going in with our design. So I just want to quickly say now, both of our nails are disgusting. I know Lucy could do with a fresh set, but she's never got time. She's got 4 boys. She's always down the gym. So yeah, what I did, because they're growing out, Lucy's nails grow out like a yellowy colour, and so do mine. Like, who has white gorgeous nails these days? I do not know, but mine barely grow, and when they do, they're yellow. What a lovely thing that I've inherited there. Yellow nails, brilliant. So yeah, I've actually painted them, so if you see another video and they're painted, just know it was because of this set that I realised that I need to sort my life out, because you look like a tramp. So we're going in with our design. Lucy is more of a bright coloured kind of girl, but she went for some nudes today. And Lucy's nails grow out yellow, as you can see as well. And what I did, because the thin layer is pretty thin, I don't like to file underneath. I don't like to do that full stop anyway. I don't know why, I just don't. Usually my clients will grow their nails out until they hit the length of the tip, till the tip is completely gone, and then they'll have a fresh set. That's just how we do it. I don't know why I don't like filing underneath, but I had to on this set just because I had to. So we're using coconut milk, peach sorbet and negligee on this nail. And we're going to move on to the middle finger, and we're going to do like a chevron, a thin kind of chevron now. And then we're just going to do the same ombre on the pointer. So I'll just let you watch. Still haven't got the camera positioning, great yet. Don't know what's going on. I've had to keep my table. I've told you before, I had to move my table around to fit my tree in, and now something else is in place of where the tree was. So I still have my desk facing that way. So I still am in a little kerfuffle, but I'll try and sort it out in a minute for the next video. So completely out of shot here, but this was Fool's. I'm really trying my hardest not to cough. Fool's Gold, and then over the top we're going to add some little specks of champagne gold that is from my website, and then on the thumb it's just going to be using the same glitters, but we're going to do a glitter fade. Sorry, I forgot to tell you what I was doing this one. So this one, obviously, I fold the little chevron to make it nice and crisp. We was going to do gold, but we went for white instead. So coconut milk. So once I've done that, I'm going to cap the glitter nails in crystal glass. And yeah, I fold, shaped, buffed off camera. And then we're all ready for top coat. So we're going straight in with top coat. So I'm using CJP Tack Free Top Gloss, and we're just going to apply that to all her nails. We'll cure. Oh, my nail, look at it, it's absolutely rank. Why didn't I just clip it off? Anyway, we're going to apply that, and then we're going to cure it for 60 seconds. We applied some cuticle oil and we are good to go. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to make sure my nails are painted for my next one. I'm going to make sure the camera the angle is great. I'm going to make sure my voiceover is better. Yeah, I'm just going to try my best. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.